the Big X, we followed Tezuka and Azumata back to Nagoya, 300 kilometers south. On the way, we stop in at Tezuka's new sponsor garage, BR. The truth is, our R32 is driving very strangely. So we asked Imai-san to take a look at it for us. The LSD has been clunking even in a straight line, and when we back off the throttle, the rear end wobbles alarmingly. The BR staff soon spot that the rear tyres have something wrong with the inner casing.
See, they look fine, but they're actually buggy. だからもう多分タイヤが合成感がない状態なんじゃない。
タイヤのエアがそんなに低くて、で今もうちょっと変形しちゃってる。
そうだからもうこういう状態なんじゃない。
外形が変わってるんですかね、右と左。多分それでもいいって曲がってきてるんですか。
As the tyres are effectively two different sizes, the LSD is binding up and misbehaving. The fix is a simple matter of changing the tyres for a good pair of used ones. After fitting up a new fan from an RB25, we're on our way again. Imai-san is such a nice guy, he doesn't even charge us for the tyres. The road from Tokyo down to Nagoya includes dozens of long tunnels, shortening what was once a very long and windy road. Don't worry though, there are still plenty more.